Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce waste at home. We begin with refuse and reduce, the most impactful steps. Simply say no to things you do not truly need, like promotional freebies or plastic straws. Actively reduce your consumption by planning meals to avoid food waste, which accounts for a large portion of landfill content. When shopping, choose items with minimal packaging or buy in bulk using your own containers. These initial steps prevent waste before it even enters your home, saving resources and money. Next, let's talk about reuse. This means giving items a longer life. Instead of single-use plastic bottles, carry a reusable water bottle. Bring cloth bags to the grocery store for all your shopping needs. Get creative by repurposing glass jars for food storage or organizing small items. Before discarding something, consider if it can be repaired, like a torn shirt or a faulty toaster. Reusing items significantly cuts down on waste and conserves valuable resources. Our third and fourth steps are recycle and rot or compost. Recycling is crucial for materials that cannot be refused or reused, like certain plastics, glass, and metals. Always check your local recycling rules to ensure proper sorting. For organic waste, composting food scraps and yard trimmings transforms them into nutrient-rich soil, reducing methane emissions from landfills. These actions extend the life of materials and contribute to a healthier environment. Every step you take to reduce waste at home has a profound impact. By minimizing what you throw away, you help decrease pollution, conserve precious natural resources, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Families implementing waste reduction strategies have reported cutting their trash output by up to 50%. Remember, it is about progress, not perfection. Start with 1 or 2 changes, and you will be amazed at the positive difference you can make for our planet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.